Weird habit of the bride.
Alam mo
Palay
yan.
at eating. So much eating.
Congratulations, Leslie and Earl. Best wishes. Best wishes. Ay, ikaw, Alex. Muna mag... Siya pa yung...
Why?
Leslie. Kasi walang sikretong di nabubuo.
Congratulations, Earl and Leslie. Okay. So, who is the earlier riser and why?
Siguro si Earl yun.
Bakit si
Kasi Earl ang kanyang pangalan.
Early! Hi!
Congratulations.
And best wishes, Blessy and Earl. Oh, answer na. Okay. Who is the boss in the why? Feeling ko naman, para silang boss. Kasi nakikinig sila sa gusto ng bawat isa. Congratulations and best wishes. Answer this. Who is the better cook and why?
I think it's Earl yun. Natikman mo na buto. Minsan. Yan. May proof. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Leslie and Earl. Okay. What is one weird habit of the bride? Why?
Oh, ikaw. Weird habit of the bride.
Alam mo
Palay
yan.
at eating. So much eating.
Hi, Earl and Blessy. Congratulations.
Who is the messier one and why?
Syempre si Earl. And kasi nakasama ko na siya sa maraming overnights. So, alam ko siya yung mas makalat.
Earl and Blessy.
Congratulations.
Congratulations sa inyo. Happy marriage. And then, who gets the last word and why? I think si Blessy. Kasi si Earl, mabait yan.
Ang babae laging tama.
Congratulations, Earl and Blessy. Best wishes. Who is the better driver and why?
The better driver is Earl because he is more experienced than Blessing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Blessy and Earl!
Who snores louder? Why? Si Earl kasi ilang beses ko na siyang nakasama sa room pag nag-out of town kami. So, alam ko talaga kung galing sila kaingay yung mag-snore.
Confirmed.
Congratulations, Earl and Blessy! Who is the pickiest eater? Why? Ako sa tingin
Si Jang talaga yung taong napakagaling magtago ng sekreto kasi kahit may pinagdadaanan yan, hindi mo mahalata sa kanya kasi lagi naka-smile at saka marunong talagang magdala. Yun.
ko, wala namang pickiest eater sa inyong pares kasi pares kayong malakas kumain eh. Anyways, ayun, salamat sa pag-invite and congrats sa inyo. More life.
Hello, congratulations, Earl and Blessy.
Tapos,
Question?
who is the messiest one and why? Feeling ko si Earl. Nakasama namin siya before sa bahay. So, yun, medyo messy siya. Congratulations ulit.
Congratulations, thank you.
Blessy and Earl! In case Who is the better dancer? Siyempre, Team Blessy kami. Forever Blessy. Yeah. All the way. Since college.
Congratulations, Earl and Blessy, and may you have all the best in this world and a good life and future ahead. Congrats again. Love you.
Happiness and love for both of you and hugs and kisses from Diane. Congrats.
Earl, welcome to the married life.
Congrats, Blessy and Earl. Welcome to married life. Magdangalan kayong dalawa.
Yes.
Congratulations! Earl and Blessy!
Oh, basahin mo dito. So ito, pre, may tanong ako. Who has the worst handwriting and why? Earl.
Earl.
Earl lang nakita ko namin yung sulat eh. Tama, di mo pa nakita yung sulat ko ngayon. Tao lang.
Congratulations! Wish you all the happiness in life.
Congratulations, Earl and Blessy.
And the question is, who is the night owl? Why? The night owl is Ferdy.
Congrats, Blessy and Earl. Tawag dito. Good luck and gumawa na kayo ng baby.
Yes!
Tawag
Para
dito.
magdagdagan na ng kalaro si Kate.
Good question eh.
Who was the worst handwriting and why?
Pili ko si
Earl.
Earl. Kasi parehas kami. Kilala ko siya. Yun lang.
Congratulations, Earl! Message ko sa'yo, may happy ka kay ni Blessing Chani. Happy lang lagi. Usap-usap lang, ganun, pag nag-away. So may question pala dito, tol. What is one weird habit of the what is one weird habit of the group and why? Wala siyang weird na habit. Bukasan mo na yung pag-iinom mo ng beer, may gout ka na, tol. Okay na?
Congratulations, Earl and Blessy, on your wedding.
Congratulations, Bless and Earl.
Who is the biggest eater and why? I think si Blessy. Kasi si Earl, I think kakainin naman nun kahit anong pagkain. Yun lang.
Earl, Sinoy, kapatid, congratulations. Ano pa ba? Ingatan mo si Blessy palagi. Mahalin mo siya. Who is the better driver and why? Siyempre si Earl, mga gayat sa akin si Earl kapag sinabi ko si Blessy.
Congrats.
Earl.
Congrats, Bless
Who's the better driver? I think, sorry Blessy, but I think it's Earl.
Hindi ko alam.
Congratulations, Blessy and Earl. So my question is, who is worse at keeping secrets and why? Kahit hindi ko pa gano'n nakaka-interact si Earl, I'm sure si Blessy talaga. Alam ko yan. Ayun lang, congrats!
Hi, Blessy and Earl. Congratulations and best wishes. That's it.
Hi, Bless and Earl. Congrats. Love you both. Who cracks the lamest jokes and why? Blessy. Why nga daw? Wag na. Wala nang why.
Congratulations, Earl and Blessy!
Congrats.
Man! Laman na, bro! Let's go! Bless, ingatan mo yung tropa ko, ha?
Hi, Jang. Congratulations. Masayang-masaya kami kasi ayan, may makakasama ka na. At lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang kami. Nila mami mo palagi para sa'yo. Who is worst of keeping secrets? Why? Dahil nga si Jang, like kung nakilala ko siya talaga na hindi naman worst pero nakilala ko siya na magaling talaga siya magtago ng sikreto kasi si Jang talaga yung taong napakagaling magtago ng sikreto kasi kahit may pinagdadaanan niya, hindi mo mahalata sa kanya kasi lagi naka-smile at saka marunong talagang magdala. Yun.
Congratulations, Kuya Jang and Blessy. Question is, who is the messiest one and why? Si Kuya Jang po, si Earl po. Kasi sa bahay nila, siya talaga pinakamahal.
I think si Kuya Earl kasi as far as I know, makalat siya sa kwarto.
Congratulations, Earl and Blessy!
Who is more outgoing?
Who is more outgoing? Siguro parehas, pero since mas matagal ko nakilala si Blessy, I go for Blessy.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Earl and Blessy. Best wishes, Early forever. Who cracks the lamest jokes and why? Siyempre, Blessy! Siyempre, habay Armolay, si Blessy pa rin. Thank you. Congratulations and best wishes, Earl and Blessy. Question.
Who's the best driver?
You read the questions.
Who is the better driver and why?
You answered it already.
Congratulations, Earl and Blessy. Yung question, who gets angry most often, why? Feeling ko si Earl. Sorry, S-friend. Para lang safe. Yun lang. Good luck to your future endeavors and more Junakis to come.